Hello everyone, my name is Madhavi. Today I am going to speak about great leader of Kamarajar. Kamarajar was born on 15th July 1903, Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. He was a great freedom fighter and Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. He is now as kingmaker in India politics. He helped poor children go to school and free educational and free midday meals. He lived a simple and honestly life. Kamarajar. Kamarajar worked for the people, not money or power. Kamarajar passed away on 2nd October 1975. We remember him for his love and educational and service to the nation. Let us follow his path and expect great leader like him. Thank you.